Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 18 of my 25 Days of Christmas series. Today marks 1 week until the end, until Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas. Today's look is a more wearable edition of yesterday's poinsettia look. So if you haven't watched that one, go ahead and bloop, check it out. I don't know what that sound effect was. And if you've missed any other videos, I do have a playlist linked down below for your convenience. I don't think I have anything important to tell you. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi. So today I'm going to do a more wearable version of the look that I did yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and then we'll get started. Okie dokie, eyes are primed. For the eyeshadow look, I'm just gonna take the Tartelette and Bloom palette and use some of these neutrals. I'm gonna use the Morphe Y17 brush. We're gonna keep the actual eyelid pretty neutral in terms of eyeshadows, and we're gonna do the eyeliner in the red. And then taking a Wet n Wild shadow brush, I'm just gonna take the shade Jet Setter. And just to deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm gonna take the shade Rebel. And now it's time for eyeliner. So I'm actually gonna take my Melted Matte liquid lipstick and I'm just gonna put some of that on the back of my hand. And then taking a Morphe eyeliner brush, the Y23, I'm just gonna dip into that and we're gonna put it on like an eyeliner. I think I want to use this brush. I'm going to take my Anastasia 7B. Alrighty, my wings are on. They're a little bit more dramatic than I was originally intending, but that's just fine. I'm gonna take the same brush I used yesterday for that yellow out of the Life's a Drag, the shade Campy, and I'm gonna put that just on the inner corner there. Oh, I guess I should have put my face on first. Okay, just kidding. I'm gonna go ahead and put my face on and then we will finish up the eyes. Okay, my face and brows are on. I basically did the same exact face from yesterday, just did a lighter hand with the blush and didn't put it all over my face. I'm gonna go back in with that brush and that yellow and just add a little bit more of that. And before I put any glitter or anything like that on, I'm going to take my Morphe Y22 brush and that Rebel shade, and I'm just gonna buff that in the outer third just to give a little bit of definition. Next, I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue, squeeze a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna go over that yellow eyeshadow. And then picking up some of the yellow glitter. For anyone wondering, this is just the glitter that I'm using. It's out of this giant value pack of glitter that I got from Michael's that I'm not even gonna bother to pick up because I know that if I pick this thing up, it will fall and explode into oblivion. So we're just gonna leave it where it is, safely on the ground. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some mascara and lashes on and I'll be right back. Alrighty, lashes are on. I used the Eylure Luxe Silk Lashes. For the lips, I'm gonna actually use the same Melted Matte.
Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with
I think that's it. I just wanted to create a more wearable edition of what I did yesterday. I mean, well, technically speaking, the other one was also something that I would wear out, but this is a much more wearable version. Obviously, you can totally cater this to your taste. You could do a smaller wing, a bigger wing, more glitter, less glitter, no lashes, bolder lashes, no lip.
one more time.
I don't really glitter lip. So I think this would be a really cute look for like a holiday party or running Christmas errands. My high school colors were red and yellow, and so I'm like, feel like I'm really having some good old-fashioned high school spirit here. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. Officially 1 week until the series is over. Crazy. It was a wild journey going from never filming to filming every single day. Well, maybe, okay, I missed 2 days, but I sort of made up for it. But anyway, if you have not already, please subscribe because there's only 1 week left and there are some fun things to come this week. So keep an eye out for those, and I will see you tomorrow.